Okay, we are having a little bird call. It's not a contest, but just bird calls in honor of Stiles Thomas. And leading off is Janet.
I was going to do a mute swan and save everybody's eardrums, but I'm going to try a broad-wing hawk. That's it.
Makes
Sorry.
me want to go to the bathroom. Charlie?
Okay. Bordeaux.
All right.
Just do it.
Yes.
They bother Jim Malinifi. He goes crazy.
Are you doing the bird calls or what?
No, I think she just coughed up a pellet.
That was good. We heard it all.
Anyone else? Bird calls? You got everyone's attention. I think you won. Bird calls? Bird calls? Wait, what was that? Anyone else?
Hey, you want me to do the bar now?
Yes.
Well, I used to go, I said, it's 5. They keep me up all night.
You got to let it go.
No.
Bird call, anyone?
Bird calls.
I can do a jungle call.
Oh, here
Yeah,
we
that's okay.
No, just be yourself then. Just be yourself.
What are you doing?
Oh, that was really good.
Great.
I always get that.
And that concludes the entertainment portion of tonight's show.
On a bad